Hello po! Thank you so much po sa mga nanood ng unang-unang vlog ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kahit na isang araw lang, at least nagkaroon ako ng more than 100 watch or views. And then I have like more than 50 subscribers. So, I think it's not a bad start. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And thank you for watching me. Even if I am Debu, I am Beijing. Debu means chubby, but Beijing is beautiful.
Correct ka dyan.
Maraming salamat po ulit, and now I'm sharing you another vlog about a trend in Japan as of the moment. I hope you like it. So, how do Japanese people say toilet in Nihongo? For millennials and much more younger age na Japanese, they can already recognize some English words. So you can ask them about toilet and you can just say toire, toire, toire. Don't read it fast, but read it syllable by syllable. So toire. And they do not have letter L in Japan, so L is pronounced as R. Toire. If you want a really Nihongo, the deeper Nihongo of toilet, you can ask ote arai, ote arai. That's how they say it properly in Japanese. Where? Saan? In Japanese, that is said doko. So if you wanna ask where, just say doko. You can simply say toilet para hindi na kang mahirapan. Or if you want magmukhang matalino ka, di ba? Yung tipong Japanese ka na din. Ote arai. Ote arai. Okay? How to connect the words in the where in Japanese term of where to find the toilet. Okay. The word isda, pag maging isda na, no, isda, it's written in Japanese hiragana ha, but this is pronounced as wa. So it's written as ha, but this can be both pronounced as ha or wa. So where is the toilet? You have to connect using this wa. So otoire wa. Now let's see how would you say where is the toilet. Sa Japan, nauuna yung noun. So it's either you say toire wa doko desu ka? Toire wa doko desu ka? So if you wanna ask in Nihongo, where is the toilet? You can say o toire wa doko desu ka? So it means you are asking where is the toilet. Pag medyo nahihirapan ka sabihin yon kasi medyo mahaba, you can just say toire wa doko. Medyo improper lang yon, pero it is understood. Understandable yung toire wa doko or toire wa doko desu ka. Yung o kasi parang may po lang yon sa pagsasalita. It means like, saan po ba ang toilet? But if you are a polite person, in Filipino, you usually use po. In Japanese, that's the same as o, yung may o sa unahan. O toire wa doko desu ka? But pag nahirapan ka at hindi mo yun tandaan mo lang yung toilet at saka yung doko, maintindihan ka nila. So, ibig sabihin, naghahanap ka lang ng toilet. Toilet doko or toilet doko desu ka? Toilet wa doko desu ka? So, where is the toilet? They say, o toilet wa doko desu ka? Oh, baka may naiihi na dyan. Maghanap ka ng toilet. So, pag naghahanap ka, tapos sinagot ka, hindi mo maiintindihan yung sagot, hindi mo pa rin makikita yung toilet. So, I'm gonna teach you on what is right, left, And then at least I think you can find a toilet with that. Okay, let's begin. We say right or kanan. We say that in Japan as migi. Migi. Migi, this is my right hand. We say left or kaliwa in Japanese as hidari. 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 Okay? So we have right as migi and we have left as hidari. So, andito tayo ngayon sa isang residential area sa Yoyogi sa Shibuya. Or, if you hear Shibuya, I know you know, dito din si Hachiko, pero this is the other side. So, ayan yung station. Ayan yung kinunan ko kanina. And there is something here na pinupuntahan ng mga tao actually, pag maaga pa. And it's very trending at the moment kasi it's quite weird, siguro, para sa ibang tao. Tingnan mo, may kumukuha ng picture, oh. Ay! Napakita ko na tuloy. This is the transparent toilet. Trending siya ngayon. Tingnan mo naman. You can see it from the outside. So, there are 3 sections of this toilet. Let me show you. This is the male one, and the pink one is for the female, and the yellow one is for disabled person or pregnant women with babies. Maluwag siya. So as you see, sobrang malinis siya. O, diba? Kitang-kita mo what's inside. That's really, really, really weird sa ibang tao kasi paano pag, you know, makikita ba sa labas o hindi? Hintayin natin may pumasok at tingnan natin what will happen.
12 seconds later.
May papasok. Tignan nga natin kung anong mangyayari pag pumasok siya. Ayun. What will happen pag pumasok siya? So yun, nilock niya yung pinto. Oh, invisible na siya. So, hindi na siya nakikita kasi the glass, it went opaque. Hindi siya fake. It's opaque. Hindi siya nakikita. Pero, ayan na. Ang bilis naman lumabas. Wala akong pang ginawa doon. Actually, he is my friend. Sinamahan niya lang ako dito.
12 seconds later.
So, let's check what's inside. So, eto yon. So, it's inside. Eto siya. So, ayan. Pag pumasok ka, parang nililinis niya muna bago ka umupo. It's auto. And it's tankless. Tapos, there is the bidet. O yung kanyang mga push buttons. This is for a big flash. Pag, you know, medyo malaki yung ipa-flash mo. And this one for a smaller flash or light flash. This is stop. Ito yung mga panlinis. So, this is for your bath. And this is for bidet. This is a dryer. Katulad na nakalagay naman. Ayan, panglinis. And then, kung saan mo ipuposisyon, baka hindi tumama. And the water pressure, kung gaano kalakas. Pag gusto mong malakas o hindi. So, dahil hindi siya nakalock, makikita mo pa din yung konti sa labas. Ay nakikita ko yung slide. But pag nilock mo na siya, so I'm gonna lock this. Pag nilock mo na siya, hindi mo na din makikita yung nasa labas. At hindi ka na rin makikita from the outside. So, ang galing, di ba? Yan yung high-tech na Japan. Hello! So I hope you enjoyed watching my vlog about the toilet, and I hope you watch again next time. Thank you for watching, and this is my bird Chippy here with me. He used to play with my hair, akala niya pugad. So please watch again. Say, Chippy, you tell them Ohayo. She speaks. Kaya lang, wala siya sumunod. So, next time when she speaks, I will show her to you then. So, for now, thank you for watching. Maraming salamat po ulit. Until next vlog, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Salamat po!